Hello students, welcome back to IIT Chemistry online coaching. In this presentation, I will explain oxidation reactions using selenium dioxide as an oxidizing agent along with a named reaction, the Rayleigh oxidation involving selenium dioxide. This topic is highly useful for university level competitive examinations such as CSIR-UGC NET, GATE and IIT JAM. Selenium dioxide is a colorless crystalline solid. In the solid state, it exists as a one-dimensional polymeric chain consisting of alternating selenium and oxygen atoms. In the gaseous state, selenium dioxide exists in the monomeric form, which has a bent molecular geometry. The oxidation state of selenium in selenium dioxide is +4. And during oxidation reactions, selenium dioxide is reduced easily and the oxidation state of selenium decreases from +4 to +2 or even to 0. Now let us go through the important applications of selenium dioxide in organic synthesis. Selenium dioxide is an important oxidizing agent best known for its selective oxidations. It oxidizes carbonyl compounds that contain an α-methylene group to form 1,2-dicarbonyl compounds. This reaction is known as Rayleigh oxidation. In this transformation, the methylene group adjacent to the carbonyl group is oxidized. Selenium dioxide oxidizes alkenes that contain an allylic methylene group. This reaction is commonly referred to as allylic oxidation. Depending on the reaction conditions, the products formed can be allylic alcohols or alpha-beta unsaturated aldehydes or ketones. This transformation is highly important because it introduces oxygen functionality at the allylic position while keeping the carbon-carbon double bond intact. In presence of acids, selenium dioxide can oxidize alkynes. Internal alkynes are converted into 1,2-dicarbonyl compounds, whereas terminal alkynes are oxidized further to give glyoxylic acid derivatives. Thus, selenium dioxide serves as an effective reagent for the oxidative transformation of carbon-carbon triple bonds. Another important application of selenium dioxide is the oxidation of benzylic methylene groups. A methylene group attached to an aromatic ring can be oxidized to form a carbonyl group. This reaction is useful for converting alkyl benzenes into the corresponding benzaldehydes or ketones. Now let us go through the mechanism part. Taking an alkene with an allylic methylene group as an example, it begins with an ene-type reaction between the alkene and selenium dioxide. This leads to the formation of an allylic selenic acid intermediate. This intermediate then undergoes a 2,3 sigmatropic rearrangement, forming a new selenium containing intermediate. This intermediate may undergo either hydrolysis or decomposition. An allylic alcohol is formed when it undergoes hydrolysis. The selenium is reduced from +4 oxidation state to +2 oxidation state in this step. On the other hand, when the same intermediate undergoes decomposition, it forms an alpha-beta unsaturated carbonyl compound through elimination of selenium and water. Let us go through a few examples. When acetone is treated with selenium dioxide, it is oxidized to methyl glyoxal, a 1,2-dicarbonyl compound. In this reaction, the alpha-methylene group in acetone is oxidized to carbonyl group. In this example, acetophenone is oxidized to phenyl glyoxal. The alpha-methylene group in acetophenone is oxidized to carbonyl group. This is an example of allylic oxidation. Cyclohexene is oxidized to 2-cyclohexene-1-ol, an allylic alcohol, in the presence of catalytic amounts of selenium dioxide and tertiary butyl hydroperoxide. In this reaction, one of the allylic methylene groups of cyclohexene is selectively oxidized to an alcohol. The tertiary butyl hydroperoxide reoxidizes the reduced selenium species back to selenium dioxide. In this example, a tri-substituted alkene is oxidized by selenium dioxide. The oxidation occurs selectively at the more substituted allylic position of the double bond, leading predominantly to the formation of an E-allylic alcohol or a conjugated carbonyl compound. The allylic oxidation occurs preferentially at the more nucleophilic, electron-rich double bond. In the given example shown on the screen, the allylic position adjacent to the electron-rich double bond is oxidized. The allylic positions of the double bond nearer the electron withdrawing acetyl group are not oxidized. That's all for now. Visit adichemistry.com for more information on this topic, or search for selenium dioxide adichemistry by using any search engine. Send an email to adichemadi@gmail.com to get worksheets on this topic. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe